morning. It's day 3 and I'm in the jungle again. I don't know why my voice is like this. I sound like Batman. I'm at a lake right now, just walking around. There's like a lake track. I slept in this morning because I wasn't feeling too good. But it's day 3. Last day with my car. I have to return it at 5:30. It's like 9:30 right now. And I'm pretty close to the waterfall, so I'm gonna go to the waterfall. We're gonna see the waterfall. I'll show you this lake first. I had to stop at this lake, 1, to use the bathroom, and 2, because it's a jungle lake. Who wouldn't stop? And there's a circuit path, which is super pretty, and I've seen some animal friends along the way. Oh, my chicken friend. Hello, chicken friend. There he is. He's gonna go under the bridge. Hi, chicken, not chicken friend. I don't know what he is. Ooh, that's a bee. He's the lake chicken. The chicken of the lake. Goodbye, Mr. Chicken. Circuit track. Oh, that's almost 5 kilometers. Yeah, I'm not gonna do all of that. All the paths I've been on, so well maintained. Like, look. I don't have to worry about anything. Huge jungle trees. I feel like I'm in Minecraft. Huh. Unreal. This is the lake. Looks like you can take a boat tour. Beautiful. There's a ton of flowers here. Purple flowers, red flowers, pink flowers. More purple flowers, orange flowers, yellow flowers, small blue flowers. Wow. Oh my gosh. The butterfly likes the flowers too. There's a train of them. It's the front. He's in the front. The rear. He's the caboose. These guys didn't make it. Rest in peace. What a nice lake. Let's go to the waterfall now. Driving to this waterfall, there's a whole bunch of cattle, pastures, grazing. It's all like leveled and it looks like this. It's like everywhere. The waterfall is just in here and it's completely different. It goes from this to this. It's a full-on jungle now. It's so cold. Pretty crowded and it feels like a zoo. If you jump in, everybody's just looking at you. It's kind of funny. I felt like I was ruining people's photos. That was waterfall number 1. It's called Mila Mila Falls. I think that's how you say it. And now I'm off to waterfall number 2. Oh, there's a road. It's just in there. Let's check it out. This one, it looks like you're gonna have to like do a little hike. Walk down. It sounds massive though. Jungle vibes. Wow, that sounds loud. Very nice. Waterfall number 2. Ah. Wow. I'm on a rock. This waterfall's a lot more wild than the other one. Very nice. So slippery. I have to climb back up that. Damn. Nice and muddy now. Yummy, 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 yummy. I don't even know what this waterfall is called. The surroundings were, the waterfall itself, that's a 10 out of 10 waterfall. 10 out of 10 for sure. That was 2 waterfalls. Now I'm at the 3rd one. It's just down there. Let's go. The 3rd waterfall's name is, I'll put it right here. And the 2nd one, the 2nd waterfall's name, I'm gonna put it right here. The path is pretty nice. It's like a mixture between the 1st one and the 2nd one. Jungly, yet close to the car park. Okay, number 3 is cool. I just ran back to my car to get my board shorts on because I think you can go behind the waterfall. I want to do that. Waterfall number 3. Kinda nice. I'm gonna go find something to eat now because I'm starving. Whew, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Just finished eating. The food was okay. Very fried. They weren't serving anything else because they're closing, so they only had fried stuff. Super healthy. All 3 waterfalls, very nice. The 2nd one was definitely my favorite. It was definitely a 10 out of 10 certified baddie. I'm gonna head back to Cairns. I need to drop my car off soon, but I'm gonna stop along the way, I think, and look at some more lakes. Let's go. This one also has an around the lake path, the circuit track. There's a whole bunch of people here. I think I'm gonna go pretty soon, but I'll show you the people. I left the lake. I didn't really want to film the people there in their bathing suits. It's kind of creepy. I don't want to be creepy. It's a bat. That's so cool. Oh, another bat. Look at him. I finished my trip. 3 days. I returned the car. I'm back in Cairns. And I'm sitting at a park. Heck yeah, good trip. I'd do that trip again. I definitely saw a lot. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm exhausted. Thank you for watching. Bye.